It started. We got you. Yes, it's rolling. Say something, Anne. Say something.
Sige!
What do you have to do today? What's going on outside?
Oh, let's look outside later. Good afternoon, guys. Then, today, mag-update ako kung anong ginagawa ng aking mga kapatid doon sa labas at sa aking kuya. Then, si Dylan dito, guys.
What's
Nag-ano
happening?
siya ng coffee.
Hi, is everyone? I'm making coffee for everyone. 5 cups I'm putting into this cafetiere, and then I'm diluting it amongst 5 cups with extra water and stuff like that.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Then, guys, tingnan natin doon sa labas kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Yan. Then, yung gamit ko pala ngayon, guys, cellphone to ni Dylan. Kasi yung camera ko gamit niya, guys. Hindi pa siya nakaka-order ng kanyang camera. Then yan, guys, mga marites. Mga marites sila sa mga buhay-buhay nila.
Ay, Dilon. Ay, cellphone lang pala ni Dilon. Tapos si Dilon yung mga-video. Hi, guys.
Yan, guys, si John Mark, si Roman yan, pinsan ko yan, si Bambam, si Arben yan. Yung kuya ko ihip-ihip dyan, guys. Ay, nako. Then yan, guys, yung ubod ng yantok. Sobrang dami. Kuha ka sa camera. Aray, nako. Yan, guys, iniihaw na yan, guys, nila, guys. Oh. Yan, nakikita niyo yan.
Grill.
Grilled yantok.
Yan to?
Ganyan, guys, si papa ko, guys. Kararating lang. Galing sa bayan.
Ay! Barbie. Para po? Ito? Sila po?
Oh, ito. Wala na ito. Sunog na.
Ito mo, ito mo.
Ito ba?
Yan, guys, sobrang dami hawak pa ng papa ko, guys.
Wow, papa. Kuya lang.
Yan, kuya ko pala yan, guys. Baka may naghahanap. Then yan na, guys, yung update na nabaliktad na, guys, yung yantok. Aray, nasunog na yung isa. Then kailangan, guys, i-adjust kasi nga sobrang haba ng yantok.
Ubod. Hindi yan to.
Ubod ng yantok, guys. Then itatry natin mamaya, guys, kung ano ang lasa. Pero sobrang dami niyan, guys.
Kasama pala kayo dyan?
Oo. Yan yung nagkuha, guys, yung kuya ko sabay si Arvin, pati si John Mark kanina.
Pati si Bambang.
Pati si Bambam daw pala, hindi ko kasi nakita eh. Ngiti naman dyan ba, guys, si Mary Joy, kararating lang galing bayan. Nagamaritis rin dito, guys. Malapit na, guys, maluto. Looking good. Yan na, guys. Si Delon, nagawa na siya ng coffee.
Yep. Look.
5 baso, guys. Sige.
I didn't even need the extra water. I thought, yeah, you just do that and you add like 4 spoonfuls into this instead, like 4.5. So it's just really strong liquid, and then you mix it all in.
You think it tastes good? Not strong enough? Or just only like
But
regular
everyone here
coffee?
likes the other ones in the packet, so it's not that strong anyway. So I don't know. Never did it like this. I've only made 2 cups or
Sige.
3 cups. As interesting as that is. They're actually cooking these
Yeah.
things. I want to go and look.
Yeah. Then yan, si Yeng Yeng and Lucy. Hi, Yeng! Hi! Yan si John Mark, guys. Nakaupo lang yan dyan, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys, si Lucy, nakaupo siya dyan, oh. Pinapalis ko, hindi mag-alis. Yan. Cookie! Yan yung aso namin dito, guys. Napapasok na yan sa loob ng bahay namin, guys, si Cookie. Hi.
What's up?
Ooh.
How is it? Does it look alright?
Yeah, it's look alright. Let's see later if I do edit, if what happened. Then, yan, guys, yung namin harapan. Puro tanim ng mga kulay green, mga saging.
Nothing else to And look their side.
Big.
No, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Oh no!
What the heck?
What? Where did that come from?
Maybe your rope is so...
It's leaking, but leaking bread. Oh no!
What time now?
Bread time.
Tomorrow is... Again you see that. Yes,
Anong tinatawa-tawa mo dyan ah?
Sige.
Okay, bread.
Akleo.
Time.
Bread time.
Anong pangalan yan? Ha? Ano yun? Tinapay. Magbilang ka muna ng ano, hanggang 10. 1, 2,
Tinapay.
3,
It is bread time. Bread just fell.
4,
Scottish Mark did a big
5,
theatrical thing over announced
6,
somewhere where he got me to look
7,
and I looked back and there's bread
8,
all of a sudden.
9,
Oh, everyone has bread.
10.
I think that stuff down there is nearly
Yan guys, may tinapay guys.
right. I'm gonna try the blood as well. You okay over there? Are you finding life okay?
Tinapay.
Good, I'm happy for you.
Tinapay guys, crispy bread.
What she said.
Sa bawat sandali ay inaabot kasi si John. Hindi nga ako, totoo wala.
Yan guys, ang kaganapan nito guys. Ay my God.
Nalaman mo kaya ang aking damdamin. Ano ang dapat sabihin ng puso kong may pagtingin. Sa araw-araw ay nagtadarka. Puso kong ito ang bakit bang kilos na halos
Stop it! Stop it! Don't put that on YouTube. You don't have my permission. No, no, no.
Yan guys, sobrang dami namin dito sa bahay ngayon guys. Kasi na guys, hinahango na yung yantok, ubod ng yantok guys. Then ito na siya guys oh. Yan na guys, yung kaganapan. Nagsising along sila dito sa labas ng aming bahay kubo.
But see, actually, if I'm being honest, if you've ever seen like a cow's penis or something, that is literally what it looks like whenever it comes
Yan
out.
na guys, binabalatan na nila yung ubod ng yantok.
I would like a taste of that. So, this one is actually very juicy, kind of like a mushroom actually from whenever I've had it before. See, the juice just dripping out there like it really is full of water. So if you're thirsty, and it's a survival thing as well, you could have your drinking water and some food by having this.
Yan guys, yung loob ng ubod, kulay puti yan siya talaga guys.
Masarap.
Ito lang na ito no? Pwede pa.
Pwede pa?
Ha?
This is like the ice cream comes over again. But is it like, do you have anything with it? Like if it's just calamansi usually?
Yeah, calamansi and salt.
No calamansi today then? Or later?
Oh, haba limon, John Mark get there.
Lemon, that's pretty much the same
Yeah.
thing then.
Kasi
Slightly
mo na doon
different.
yung ano.
Look
Ito
at
na
that,
lang.
like, ooh.
Yan na guys, sobrang dami na guys sa plato.
Not hot. So very very hot.
Very.
Din niya guys, marami kami ditong bisita sa bahay. Pati mga bata dito.
Oh, look, this one's massive. He hasn't broke this one so far yet.
Yan guys, yung sa dirty kitchen namin, makikita mo kung ano yung ginagawa nila dyan guys.
You go in there and look.
I know, I showing the dirty kitchen.
You've got a flashlight, I suppose.
Yeah. Then yan na guys, si John Mark. Hindi pa matapos-tapos yung paglinis ng ubod guys. Ano? Yan. Nag-try na si John Mark guys.
John Mark, how's that, man?
Oh no.
Sarap? Hindi? Or
Yan
not
guys,
good,
mga
not
bata
bad.
dito guys.
Is it like that?
It's really, really good.
It's really good, yeah? Especially if you're thirsty, I'd say.
Naka-start na yan?
Yes.
Oh. So guys, ito na guys, ako magagawa ng sausawa namin ng ubod ng yantok. Yan ang tawag dito sa amin guys, limon. Yan dito natin guys ilalagay.
Ayan na nga guys, nag-start na si ate maggayat ng lemon na gagawing sausawan para sa ubod.
Ito na guys, pinipiga na natin guys yung limon para mamaya ready na magkain guys. Kaso ang problema guys, walang ilaw kami dito ngayon. Nag-blackout guys. Yan doon sa baba guys, merong solar. Kaya okay lang. Guys, yan na lahat yung ubod ng yantok na linisan na guys. Gagayatin na lang yan siya guys. Yan, si John Mark guys yung magagayat.
And everything, but yeah, that was only the upper time really. And then there's two different types. There's this spiky one, and then there's a different like reed that grows at the side of the road that I've tried. So there's different varieties of this stuff. They all taste a little bit similar.
Si Cleo kasama ba dito? Hindi ba?
Yan guys. Magbubudol fight kami ngayon kaso walang ilaw. Yan na. Ayan ang ulam namin guys. Ubod ng yantok.
Oh my goodness, so hot.
Yan na guys yung aming kanin.
Spin
Then yan ang ubod ng yantok guys. Yan ang sausawa namin guys. Oh.
Gotta use the spoon.
May maanghang.
And then I get a bit of that with that maybe.
Thumbnail, thumbnail.
Oh, it's dark for a thumbnail, man.
Yeah. So dark.
Makita. Hindi yan guys, kaya na.
Yan na guys. Kain na guys.
Takot ka wala eh.
It's so hard with my leg.
Really?
First bite natin guys.
A little bit like I'm bending my hand trying to do it.
Yan guys. Magkain na tayo guys. Yan mga bata guys. Kasama namin. Ay, sana yung sausawa namin. Wala na. Pahingin mo na daw.
What's in that one? Is that chili too? That is
Yeah,
it,
this one. Yeah, I put here.
Oh, yeah.
Then they're on you. Ha? Unti. Sige.
Walang ilaw kasi ngayon, run out. Sayang naman.
Blackout. Tamo. Partida guys. Oh no. Yan guys. Kain tayo guys. Ang hirap
Right,
naman ito guys.
I'm showing you one more, guys, and then I think I'm gonna go and actually eat this properly.
Ito siya.
Oh,
Grabing hirap ito bago na luto.
Talaga.
Pero pagkain siya na mo.
Tapos kumakuha nito kunti lang.
Sarap guys.
Ano nakalabing yan? Sayang ginagawa.
Yan, nagamaritusan pa guys yung mga kasama namin nito guys. Na kung makain.
Parang walang sili.
Yan, papa ko guys.
Mag-try ka na tayo.
Sulit.
Magkama.
Sarap.
Yan si John Mark guys. Dan si Delon guys yan ano na guys ng kutsara guys.
Look at it go. It's really nice. The steam off that, man.
Yun lang. Masarap na. Yun na.
Yummy.
More about
Problema natin tubig.
chilamansi. It's like
Sige.
chilamansi noodles. It's like the flavor a wee bit.
Go eat na. So guys, hanggang dito na lang yung ating video. Please support my channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!